It's a Honda 1980 CR250, but with a 1983 5-speed CR480 engine in it. So it's yeah, takes some hanging on to. It's quite a trick bike. It's got a Mugen head and barrel on it, which is very rare. It was built by the Kaltenbergs in Germany, which is who I bought it off of. Happened to see it for sale and always wanted one, so I took it. And yeah, it's got some nice trick bits on it, as you can see. Yeah, it's got Riga shocks on it, and it's a Lop swinging arm, which is from America. That's an aftermarket. I guess it's a factory replica one, like what the Dentons reproduce nowadays in Elderfields. The V-Force reed block. Yeah, they're PFR foot pegs, nice and wide for fat feet like mine. Yeah, when you compare it, I dare say the standard ones were half that size in their day. Set of backs, forks on it. It's got a one-off sort of aluminium tank. So yeah, it's all a little bit different to a standard standard bike. It's a standard pipe on it actually. Standard Honda pipe from that day. That's how they've set it up. So they feel that that's the right pipe for how it's set up for me anyway. So it'd be good. The drum brakes. I've got a problem with the front brake at the moment. Just about to sort that out. But yeah, just standard drum brakes. From that era again, from 1983, off of a 480 Honda. So yeah, it stops all right. Very well set up, you know, so the jetting and that's all done. So I've got a mate, Luke Hill, that looks after the bikes for me as well, and does all the fettling. So yeah, he knows his stuff on setting them up. We do all the twin shocks. We don't do any Evo racing. Well, we haven't done any Evo racing this year. It's just purely twin shocks. I didn't start riding until 1982. And twin shocks were gone by then, you know. And I bought one 9 years ago, and got bit by the bug and really enjoyed it. And then I built a rough one and for my son to ride, and he's really enjoyed riding that. And it's sort of bitten by the bug of twin shock racing. Really, it's just a very good atmosphere at the meetings. The tracks are good, and everybody enjoys it. With the right rider on it, it's a quick bike. But you know, age comes up against you sometimes. But no, they're quick bikes. You know, there's nothing when you see the likes of Noisy and that riding them in their day, you know, you really do appreciate how quick those boys really were in their day on twin shock bikes, because you know the suspension on that's a bit better probably than what most people had back in the day of that era. But yeah, they can certainly ride.